Hey guys, my name is Gough, and this is a quick testimonial for the MPI coaching with Dustin and Charles Rose. I wanted to get back into real estate investing. I sort of knew a little bit about it, and I'd had some properties in the past that didn't really work. So I knew that when I wanted to get started this time, I really needed hand-holding throughout the whole process. So I came across Dustin's products, his courses, and they're fantastic. The information is amazing, but like most things, if you don't take action, what's the point? So I joined the group training. That was cool, but I knew personally that if I didn't actually have the one-on-one support and accountability, I wouldn't take that action. It's a big step, investing in real estate. So I then upgraded, and now I've been working with Charles for about 3 months. We set some pretty aggressive goals of 10 properties in the next 12 months. Sorry, that's the coffee machine. We've already picked up 3 properties. I was able to do most of it without using my own money. And yeah, I've got a 4-plex that cash flows. I've got 2 single family homes that are almost ready to go. And honestly, I couldn't have done it without Charles guiding me through the whole process. We sent each other a million emails, texts. I passed so many properties. Through his guidance, we picked out the best, and we were able to pick up 3. Now we're just putting everything in place to take that next step so we can go out and get the next 7 properties and hit my goal. My goal is to be passive income 100% in the next 2 years. So that would be retiring at 50. And who doesn't want that? That sounds amazing. It keeps me motivated daily. I'm setting up a legacy for my kids, and I'm setting up the lifestyle that I truly want. So if you guys are thinking about it, if you're on the fence, I know it's an investment to do the one-on-one training, or at least if you can, buy one of Dustin's courses or join the group, but take action. The information out there is amazing. The support in the group is cool. But yeah, if you really want to do this and you want to minimize risk and get the maximum out of your real estate investing and, reduce the stress, then I definitely recommend the one-on-one coaching. Okay, thanks.